Welcome to Italy. Italy, a beautiful country with a history spanning thousands of years, is home to some of the most unique cultural, artistic, and natural heritages in Europe. From the ancient Roman ruins of Rome, where the mark of the great empire is still strong, to the romantic canals of Venice, where the gondola takes us through a mysterious world. Florence, the cradle of the Renaissance, where the masterpieces of Michelangelo and Leonardo da Vinci are forever etched in the history of human art. Not to be missed is the Tuscany region, with its rolling hills covered with vineyards, quaint little villages, and rich wine flavors. Interesting facts you may not know. Italy is considered one of the world's wine paradises, with more than 1,500 different wines spread across the country, each region having its own unique characteristics thanks to its diverse soil and climate. With a history of wine production spanning thousands of years, Italy is not only famous for its large output, but also for the quality and unique flavor of each wine. Now let's start exploring the most beautiful places in Italy. Rome, the eternal city, where every stone carries a story of thousands of years of history. From the Colosseum, once the majestic arena of Roman battles, to the Trevi Fountain, where no one can forget to make a wish when throwing a coin into the water. The journey through the Spanish Steps takes you to the cultural and artistic heart of the city. And the Vatican, the center of the Catholic world, with the majestic St. Peter's Basilica, is home to countless priceless treasures of humanity. Venice, the city of love and romance. This place is like a precious gem built on the water, with a network of winding canals weaving through each ancient house. Experience Venice on a gondola, drifting gently on the Grand Canal. You will feel the slow but poetic pace of life of this city. Piazza San Marco, with the Doge's Palace and St. Mark's Basilica glowing in the sunset, is a must-see destination. Venice is not only a destination, but also a journey to find the quintessential cultural values of humanity. Florence, the cradle of the Renaissance and the birthplace of timeless masterpieces. This city is a symbol of creativity, where every street and every architectural work contains a story of culture and history. Florence Cathedral, with its magnificent dome by Brunelleschi, captures the vision of anyone who comes here. The Uffizi Gallery houses classics by Michelangelo, Leonardo da Vinci, and Botticelli, making Florence a mecca for art. The Ponte Vecchio Bridge over the Arno River is a testament to the city's enduring presence through time. Amalfi Coast, one of the most beautiful coastlines in the world, with small villages perched on cliffs overlooking the vast blue sea. Positano is famous for its brightly colored houses stretching across the hillsides, creating a picturesque scene. From here, visitors can stroll through small streets, admire the clear blue sea, or enjoy great meals with local specialties. Amalfi, with its lush lemon groves and majestic landscapes, is an ideal destination for those who love nature and enjoy exploring unique historical heritages. Milan not only is the capital of fashion, but also the center of modern art and culture of Italy. The Duomo di Milano Cathedral, with its splendid Gothic architecture standing out in the square, is an indispensable symbol of the city. In addition, Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II, with its majestic dome architecture, is a shopping paradise for those who love fashion. But Milan also has La Scala, one of the most famous opera houses in the world, and Leonardo da Vinci's painting The Last Supper, cultural heritages that anyone who comes here wants to admire at least once. Cinque Terre, 5 small coastal villages in the Liguria region, each with its own unique beauty. The vibrant colors of the houses stand out against the deep blue sea, creating a romantic and idyllic scene. From Monterosso to Rio Maggiore, visitors can walk on the winding trails between the mountains and the sea, admiring the picturesque panorama. Cinque Terre is not only a place to relax, but also a place to immerse yourself in nature and learn about the peaceful life of the locals. Tuscany, a land of rolling hills and rolling vineyards, where culture and nature blend together to create a fairy tale-like landscape. Siena, with its unique Piazza del Campo, is the heart of culture and festivities. Pisa, famous for its leaning tower, is a testament to the timeless power of architecture. And San Gimignano, the ancient town with its towering stone towers, is a living museum of the Middle Ages. Tuscany is also home to fine wines, an experience not to be missed for anyone who loves food and culture. Naples, the vibrant city of southern Italy, a melting pot of history and culture. From the ruins of Pompeii and Herculaneum, which were buried under the ash of Mount Vesuvius, to the vibrant life on its bustling streets, Naples is a fascinating destination. Not only famous for its ancient ruins, Naples is also home to the famous Neapolitan pizza, made from the freshest ingredients, making anyone who enjoys it praise it. Sicily, the largest island in the Mediterranean, where many ancient civilizations converge. The majestic Mount Etna, Europe's most active volcano, is a symbol of the power of nature and also an interesting destination for those who love adventure. The Valley of the Temples, with its ancient Greek stone columns, is a testament to Sicily's glorious past. In addition, the vast ocean and fine white sand beaches bring a wonderful feeling of relaxation. Lake Como, where luxury and nature meet in a breathtaking setting. Luxurious villas nestled on the lake, surrounded by lush gardens, create a picture of peace and elegance. Stroll along the shores of the lake and you will feel the quiet, fresh air of the northern Italian mountains. With its clear blue waters and white-capped mountains, Lake Como is an ideal destination for those seeking relaxation and enjoying the beauty of nature. Italy, a country that is not only attractive because of its long history, rich art, or magnificent nature, but also because of its culture and friendly people. From the small streets of Florence, the romantic canals of Venice, to the dreamy coastline of Amalfi, every step in this country brings an unforgettable experience. The story of Italy will continue because every journey here is not only a destination, but also an endless discovery. See you in the next adventures.